Bringing it home. Understanding the phrase in context. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to decode the meaning of the phrase, bringing it home. It's a common phrase in English, but it can be quite confusing for language learners due to its metaphorical meaning. Stick with us as we explore its origins, uses, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English. Initially, bringing it home sounds quite straightforward, doesn't it? Literally, it means to carry something to one's home. For instance, after shopping, I am bringing the groceries home. However, in most contexts where the phrase is used, it has a more figurative meaning. In a metaphorical sense, bringing it home means to complete a task successfully or to finalize something with a positive outcome. It's often used in situations where someone is expected to achieve a goal or finish something with a flourish. Example in sports. In sports, when a team is close to winning, and the fans say, "Bring it home," they mean, win the game and finish successfully. Example in business. In a business presentation, if your boss says, "You really brought it home in the final slides," they mean you concluded the presentation strongly, leaving a good impression. The phrase also holds a deep emotional and cultural significance. It implies not just success but also a sense of returning or completion. It's about finishing something not just anywhere, but home, a place associated with comfort, safety, and success. In movies and music. In creative works like movies or songs, bringing it home can imply a protagonist achieving their goals or a resolution that ties back to the start, completing a full circle. To use bringing it home correctly, remember it's best suited for situations where there's a build-up to a successful conclusion. In conversations, you can say, "I trust you to bring it home," to express confidence in someone's abilities to conclude tasks effectively. In encouragements, saying, "Let's bring it home," team, can be motivational, rallying a group to finish strong. And that's a wrap on bringing it home. Now, you're equipped to understand and use this phrase in various contexts, enriching your English communication. Remember, it's all about concluding with strength and success, whether in sports, business, or personal goals. Hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more confident in using bringing it home in your conversations. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.